Good, good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and let's get right up into it. So yesterday, I was able to take this beautiful sell to the downside. Profited very well in this trade, and just to be honest, I'm expecting a little bit more of the same here. Now, I don't like what price did at this point. Creating these small higher highs and higher lows, which I don't like. And that's why I'm a little hesitant on this area here. I'm already in the trade. Sorry, let me put my position in. Here. So my top position is in about 5 minutes. Oops. And my top position is up about, I'm in at 496, about 70 pips, 67 pips. So let's see. Top position 496. That's pretty close to this area right here. So I got my top position in here. I definitely want to take profit at this level here. So at about 100 pips. Definitely want to take some profit there. It's just a matter of if price can go ahead and reach it. Now the reason I took this trade is I seen what price was doing here at this 5 minute. Rejected it once, but at 3:30, rejected it again at 5:30 with the news that came out, and then we had another rejection here, which is where I got in. I did see that there was some resistance or some support here, so I knew that with this resistance and this resistance that we could probably see another rejection, which occurred. And we also had the 1 hour 50 EMA right here. So with the 1 hour 50 EMA right there, now we could go ahead and take the trade down with these confirmations. Now it's not golden zone. So when I drew up the fib, usually I draw it from this area here to there, right? So you can see it's basically a 78% rejection right there, which we can't expect it to go too far down, but I think we could expect it to come down to this area here, my opinion. Doesn't have to, but I just, what I'm going off of, I think it has broken structure to the downside now. Now the news, I'm not too sure about because the news came out today for GDP and advanced GDP. And you see here, oh, let me bring it up here, sorry. Where is it at? Tomorrow's a big day. So we had advanced GDP at 1.1%. They were expecting 2.0. Unemployment at 230K when they're expecting 247, and advanced GDP at 4% when they're expecting 3.7. Now, if anybody on the live stream can decipher this information, and let me know what it means in regards to the dollar, what it means in regards to, the NASDAQ and indices like the NASDAQ and US30. So we know that it increased at an annual rate of 1.1%. Okay, so now they got this right here. So this wasn't on here. Let's see this. Let's see this here. Economy grew 1.1% in first quarter, but a recession could begin as soon as high rates bite. Grew modestly earlier this year, and that may be as good as it gets. Warm winter weather, June summer spending. Oh, okay. So let's go back real quick. Stagflation back on the table. GDP down. Last year still positive at quarter one. I mean, it's still positive, so I'm not too sure exactly what that means. Um, Hold on a second. Damn, man, this thing's moving up. So the one thing I didn't like right here, sorry, we could get back to that right now, but is that rejection right here on the 15-minute 50 EMA. That's what I don't like. Right, see here, boom, got the ILC right here, which we could, boom. So you could see a very clean rejection right here, which I don't like. But we'll see what happens. Still like price falling off. Maybe at these levels here, right? This is about a 61% retracement overall. And if we see something here, we got the 1 minute EMAs. I don't know if price will stop it here, but I think at, I guess up at this level here, hopefully we see some stopping power done. I like that rejection at the EMA. Hopefully it keeps it right at that 61%, right? We zoom out, and that's exactly where it came up to before kind of falling off. Oh shit, son. Oh, fucky fuck. What the hell was that? I don't know if it's gonna come down for us. It's like it wants to, but it's rejecting that area again, which I don't like. Um, yeah. See if it can come down though. If we go to the 1 minute here, we see that it's right here off the EMA still seeing big rejections, but if it can break through here and finish below, oof, like that, then we're in business. My stops are definitely on break. I wish I went a little bit heavier, but still rejecting, huh? Let me see something here. Yeah, big ILC right here. Let's see if it can break through it though. So yeah, this ILC wasn't really shit. It's this ILC we gotta worry about breaking through. If it doesn't, then we know there's a good chance it can push up a little, right? Oh, okay, like that. I'm gonna take some profit right here just because I know what this is. See right here. Did it already reject it? See that? That's, damn. Just missed my take profit right now at 100 pips. Missed it by about 4 pips. Which, yeah, look at that. I don't like that. Right off the daily, we know that we kind of have this uptrend going, so it's very possible for price to just push up on us the entire way. So we got to be mindful of that. Oof, look at that. Right off the daily. Clean rejection. Damn. That sucks. I don't even know if, should I just close it? like sells on NAS too. Hold on a second. So we're in this trade. Let's see if it can hold up right here. Come on. Sorry, this is Nas, and you can see what I'm looking at here. I got to play in now. I got a sell in right after this rejection at this key zone right here, right? So this is going to be key for it to break through right here. If it doesn't break through this, then we know that there's a chance it could push up. Damn, it didn't break through it. All right. Yeah, that rejection right there is kind of showing us all I need to see. Um, the way it finished on top of the previous ILC, right? The ILC we had formed right here. We could see that once price broke through it, thought we were gravy. Nice little fake out at the daily. Got back on top of it. Now we just gotta wait and see, right? Hopefully it continues to use this area as resistance to come down, and maybe we can see that move, to completion all the way. But shit, if it comes all the way back down here, I'm not taking it at 100 pips, because now we could kind of see it's creating those lower lows, right? Just by price breaking, but um, I really don't know what's gonna happen right now. Let's see. I wish I would have pulled my trade, being a little stingy with it. I wanted exactly 100 pips, and when you do that, that's how you fuck up. So let's see if the EMAs hold up right here and can continue this move down. Yeah, I don't like this 15-minute candle if it finishes real bullish like this, right? Especially on top of the EMA. So we like to see this thing finish down here. And, truthfully, big picture, we can see this thing, if it breaks through here, we can see this thing go down to the 27%, somewhere around here, right? Just continue its trendward down. Still have this trade in this runner. So it's just a matter of if the price is going to give us what we want. Yeah, now it's just playing. US30's playing. They could go up, right? You can see how it's pushing up right now. I have my stops at break even, so if it comes and takes me out, it takes me out. Not, I'm worried about it, but let's see. Yeah, that 5-minute candle finished pretty bullish, even though it's a bear candle. You can see that's just a huge rejection wick out of the area off the daily. So we need this 5 minute to finish down here, in my opinion. Like we needed to turn bullish and get this trend continued the right way down. So um, let's see what happens. bouncing off the EMA, right? Using it as support. Let's see if it can finish through it though. That's the big thing. Still respecting it, right? Which isn't good enough. Yeah, I think uh, yeah, it just looks like it's giving this area a little bit too much respect, and we might have had a break of structure. It's hard to tell with this type of structure though, right? When you got it kind of doing this thing. Um, that's what makes it a little difficult for me, but I could definitely see a higher low or a lower high here, higher low because it's higher than that low, and then we could see a higher high, higher low, lower high, lower. It's a tough one. Right here I see it, but it doesn't have to respect it. So man, you can see what it's doing right off the EMA, making its way up. Hmm. The 15 minutes probably looking real bullish right now. Definitely is looking bullish. Damn. Should have pulled it when I had the chance. Yeah, I definitely should have pulled it. Could have been done for the, well, I'm still done for the day no matter what, but let's see if these areas hold up. Got the 5 minute EMA right here, so this is basically your last line of defense with this little small 1 minute ILC. So it could technically make it all the way back up here to this ILC where we're in at, and then make its way down, which I would hate, but it's very possible. The next 5 minutes is going to be key for this 15-minute candle. You see here. I should freeze. What's going on here? My shit's frozen. What the fuck is happening? Oh, okay. What the fuck, man? Oh, right there at that ILC, right? Boom. That was nice. But still hasn't broken this, so hasn't really done shit. Okay. Uh, Still respecting it, right? right on top of the EMA. All right, let's see. I like this. This purple line right here is a 1 hour. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, a 1 hour EMA. So that's why I kind of like it. No, I'm sorry. The 4 hour EMA. 4 hour resistance to support area. My bad. Yeah, still showing love here. Um, yeah, I think it's time to pull it. Too much love right here at this area. Um, yeah, might as well just call it a fucking day, I think, because it looks like it's coming up now, right? Just the way it's finishing, the 15-minute chart is definitely finishing bullish, right? So we could probably see the next one that's finishing in 50 seconds. The next candle could start stacking up and start getting up to the upside, right? Is what can most likely happen. So we just got to be mindful of that and take heed of that. I mean, there's 30 seconds and it can still turn bearish, but I don't think it's going to fall off as much as it needs to be as bearish as I like. I mean, maybe I'm speaking it into existence right now, but let's see. Nope, maybe not. I mean, we just need this thing to finish through here. It's too much respect, right? At this 15-minute 50 EMA. This isn't really doing much for us because the next candle could still respect this area and push up. So, yeah, still pretty bullish. Let's see. This is gonna kind of tell us what's what. I think we have home sales right now too. Pending home sales at 7, so that'll be more shit to look at. And still respecting everything right here in terms of not breaking through to the downside. Yeah. 15. Yeah, that finished the. What I'm mainly seeing when I look at this 15-minute chart right now is these two rejection wicks. Those are the biggest things I see right now. So what we could see happen right now is another retest of this ILC and the EMA, or of this ILC and the EMA before it pushes up, or it just flats up, right? So either of those are options for us. So we'll see what happens. Damn, US30's flying up. See that in 2 minutes, it essentially went 411 to 444, 30 pips in 2 minutes. this shit's moving up. Should've put my motherfucking money. Shit. We need this thing to hold up. No lie. Let's see. I'm at 300 profit for the day. I got about 180 floating right now. Okay, got that. Damn, that shit came and took me out, dog. Right here, let's see. We got the 4 hour. I think if it makes it back up into this area again, I might just take this out. Maybe. If I see it kind of giving what we want. Wait, the hour looks real bullish. Damn. It's about to finish right now. We got news at 7. I mean, let's see. I'm in it. So, well, not in it yet, but I'm about to get in it if it so they stop me out right here. I'm about to get in it right now, maybe. Let's see. Hmm. Yeah, it has to make it up here for me. Oh, fuck it. I put in a small sell right now in US. Right now. But this is the key right here. Has to break through this. Has to break through all this shit. If it doesn't, then we know that it's coming up, right? So let's see. It's not breaking it, right? I'm up 1 pip, down 2 pips. Down 3 pips. So I have a small sell in. I'm gonna close it and wait for price to get up here to this area. So see what happens. I have a 0.02 in there. I'm down about $30. I'm gonna wait for it to get up top right there and put in my next trade. If it shows me what I think I want to see. Because we know this is a key resistance area. We got the 1 hour EMA. We got 7 o'clock coming in, what, 6 minutes? So let's see what the market's giving us right now. I still think the news was bad, so Let's see what's what. Alright, it's getting up there. It's got a lot of momentum right now, but I think I'm gonna take the trade right about. Fuck it, huh? Mm, mm, so bullish right now. Yeah, I should take it a little closer to 7. See, so whoa, that 15-minute looks crazy. Now that I look at it, it could come all the way back up here to these levels, right? Which is very possible, but I don't see that happening. Let me see. I don't have no trades in right now. I mean, could make it up to this level here. I don't play with these. I got kids at home. I have no trades in yet. See if price breaks this right here. What it's gonna do. So I got the 1 minute on my phone going on an MT4. It does look a little bit different sometimes than what you see here, but for the most part, it's generally about the same. So we're at about 550 on MT4. Yeah, I mean, shit. I guess it did break structure and did all that. But it's still respecting it, right? Technically, it's still respecting it. Damn, that shit is flying. Okay, that's the cue I needed to see. 1 second, let me use the restroom. I just got in sales right now at this point, so let's see.
Good morning, Oggy Oggy. What's that noise? Poor fish. That pond looks like a bit of a squeeze. We're gonna need a bigger pond. So let's get digging. Oh no! Now we've got lots of pond and not enough water. Ooh, good thinking, Oggy Oggy. You can fill the pond.
Uh-oh. Hello. I'm afraid the doors don't open unless you play with me. My name is Crispin Biscuit, and I'm your new play friend. I heard you did awful things to your old play friend, so she hired me to teach you new games.
She who?
Hi! Nanny Kim No Filter CEO, baby. Used to be sponsored by Butt Snuggers Diapers, Remember? So, you guys conspired against me, messed up my retirement, and stole my favorite pants, which was weird, and maybe I just lost them, but I still blame you for it. And I know I acted cool, but guess what? I'm actually angry, like hire a sadistic schoolboy baby to ruin your lives angry. All those failed client meetings, all the inexplicable no-shows, all the suddenly uninterested customers. You can't cancel, you had an appointment. How do you think that happened? Oh, you got biscuited.
So it was that guy who caused our market slump. Not my fault. Still great at my job.
And heads up, I paid extra for some premium life ruining, so expect this to get nasty. Ciao, baby.
Louis, there's something you should know.
No, you don't have to say anything.
No, I really do. I've been acting strange. Don't freak out, but Louis, you have to help me.
Mixia! Gesundheit. Oh, silly. This random magical world is called Mixia.
So, what's the deal with Mixia? Why am I here? How do I get home for Lolo's birthday? Is this a dream?
One, why are any of us here? To live, to have fun. Get the man scared off us. That must be the magic in Mixia. It's gone totally haywire. Maybe that's why you're stuck here.
Chaotic magic and a way home.
Which brings me to your next query. The only place with enough magic to get you home is the castle.
The castle?
Oh, and three.
Ow! What was that for?
Good. You got that? So you're not dreaming.
Okay,
Now,
my bad, guys.
one,
I just took a
and
massive
band into some mixlings along the way.
I got stopped out right here. I wanted to take this trade down, but honestly,
What are mixlings?
I think it's going up to this area right here, right?
As awesome as me.
Right where we're at.
What's called a magic mixie.
Turn it down, Zoe. It's way too loud.
Rare human who gets lost on a quest in Mixia.
Bless you.
That's you!
We have the ILC right here. This ILC where we took the trade yesterday. I kind of like it.
You got a brand new pal to help you get there.
But it's just so bearish right now that I don't understand. Not, sorry, so bullish right now, especially with bad news. I think it needed to do this little correction, right? What goes up must come down. What goes down must come up. And technically, it really has all of this. I'm going to stay away, though. Just because I hit my loss limit for the day. I had profited here, but where I fucked up is by continuing to trade after this bull push. I mean, you couldn't really tell on this candle, obviously, because of that. But if you look at the 5-minute, you see exactly what I'm talking about, right? Once we had this rejection wick back on top of here and these two rejections here, I should have known that it was going to come back up, at least breaking this level and moving on to the next one. I should have known that. So for me, it's kind of like a damned if you do, damned if you don't, because you want to go ahead and take this trade because the confirmations of why you took it here are still valid here. But you also got to read momentum, and the momentum is to the upside. So like me, I'm still very bearish, and shit, it looks like it might come down from this point here, but I'm still very bearish, and it's kind of just turn it down, Zoe.
Do the same for me, dude.
So we'll see what happens. I'm still bearish. I think it can make it up to this level here, or even right here, right? That's a 4-hour R2S. So either of these are possibilities. It's just a matter of if it's going to do it. And there's a lot of momentum to the upside. So what we could see is this be used as support right here. This ILC was once resistance. Now it can be used as support, which you can kind of see there. But I'm going to stay away just because I'm super bearish, and the market's pretty bullish right now in terms of where it's headed. So, I mean, it could be coming down here. You never know, but we'll see. So thank you guys for tuning in with me today. Today was a success in terms of this trade here. Um, this trade, I was wrong, but um, you know, I just want to stay away. So we're still in profit for the day. It is what it is at this point. We'll just see if the market gives us something. You know what I mean? Like a better trade. I think this was a good trade. I should have just pulled my money here and I would have been happy. I should have been happy here no matter what when I got stopped out at break even, but it is what it is. So we'll just take that on the chin and you can see it's kind of using this as support here and we'll see what happens. It looks like it's still creating those higher highs and higher lows. You just got to make sure that, you know, we see what happens here. Nas is blowing up right now back into the, I would have never thought Nas was coming back into this area, truthfully. I thought once it broke out of here, it was staying out of here. But you could see it broke out of the channel. It is now out of this channel here. Now we could expect a retrace at some point back down to either this level or this level. See that thing fly up. So why actually we might have already seen it, huh? Now that I look at it. Yeah. Broke out, came back and retested the ILC, used it as support and pushed up. Not too bad, not too bad. I would have never thought it was coming back into this area though. Looking crazy. This 30 coming down. But thank you guys for tuning in. We'll be back in tomorrow, man.